Reporting to you live,
Yeah,
Hamden, Connecticut.
Prodigy is the
Young
GOAT.
boy Prodigy.
Uh-huh.
Tell us why to focus on them dollars, man.
I got you,
We
bro.
out. Let's go.
I have a question. Why you focus on them dollars? Is it cause without it, you feel like a coward?
Yeah.
How much you taking with you? When it hits the hour, you'll be showered with flowers, soul sinking to the bottom.
Yeah.
I wanna let you know, there's no price for a soul. When you gotta go, it's simple, you gotta go. Greed comes through the eyes, watch out with the focus. Green monster like hocus, wants to come and poke us. Love of money is the root to all evil. The seed of the greed will probably poke you like a needle. The tree which is green is the heart of the feeble. The cover of this thing is simply dead people, boy.
Focus on the money. They focus on the money. They focus on the change because they want to make it rain. He's the only one that can cause a change.
Yeah.
Even be in the
That's my guy.
know he reign, yeah.
Yeah, it's a muscle like the Loch Ness. If you chasing change, then boy, I hope you stop it. It's a chain in your life. The enemy don't lock it. Drop it, drop it. The lock, he will pop it. Instead of focus on the change, focus on the change. You say you make it rain, my God, the one will reign. He will help you through the struggles. His presence kill pain. That's why I rap like this. My flow was never plain. Yeah, you know I got the flow. I do it for the Lord. He can change you up, which is one word. Homeboy, don't be scared. He can change you with one word. Put it in action, he's the verb. Gotta need you, gotta love you. His blessings rain on me. Gotta need you, gotta love you. He can change you up, which is one word. Boy, don't focus on the money.
They focus on them dollars. They want the cash money. Money and the power. They be bragging about the change. Like, look how we make it rain. But you can make it rain. My king forever reign. Yeah.
Yeah, prodigal.
Prodigy years ago. Man, we out of here, man.
I'm not saying that money's evil, but the love of money's evil.
Do it for the